So, Professor, can you introduce yourself first?
Sure. My name is Robert Wilton. I'm teaching through movies at the International Summer School of Prizren.
So, can you tell more, which is the reason that made you to come here and lecture for summer school university in Prizren?
Really good. I'm very fond of Prizren. I've been coming to Prizren now for 21 years, and it's a city with a unique identity and culture, and it's a great place to be. I'm a huge admirer of DocuFest, and I am interested, and I work in film myself, so it's very exciting to be here. And I believe very strongly in the importance of this kind of activity. This is the first year that they've run the summer school, and I think it's a really great initiative. It's a great way to promote education. It's a great way to promote the university. It's a great way to remember Ukshin Hoti and his story, which we should not forget. So lots of good reasons to be here, lots of good reasons to think.
So can you tell more about the course you're lecturing and the experience with the students in your course?
So we are doing something which is, I think, very distinctive. There's a really interesting link to the film festival, because we're talking about how we can use film in education. So we're exploring fiction films, but also documentary films, the messages they can tell us, but also the ways that we must always challenge the films that we see. And for teachers, and we have quite a few young teachers in our class, for teachers this can be very useful, but for everyone it's very powerful and important to think about how we interpret film and how we challenge what we are told.
Yeah. So University of Prizren Ukshin Hoti for the first time organizes a summer school. So what is your personal impressions about this summer school in general?
Well, I think it's great. I think it's a really positive initiative. This is a special location, a special university named for an important figure in our country's history. I think I hope this is an initiative which will be repeated in the future. I would love to see more students coming here every year. I'd love to see more foreign students, more foreign professors coming to this country, to this city, and to this institution.
So thank you, Professor.
Thank you very much.